Hello, Super Kids! Welcome to Super Kids Fit. Today we'll move, stretch, and have lots of fun together. Get ready to feel strong and happy. Take a big, deep breath. Let's begin.
Grab your ankles and lift your chest and legs like a bow. Shine your heart forward and feel strong. Stretch your arms back and lift your chest and legs. Fly like a little superhero. Fold your body forward and let your head relax down. Feel your legs stretch long. Place your hands on the floor and lift your feet. Balance like a tiny bug with strong arms. Gently lift your legs up to the sky. Stay steady and calm, like an upside-down tree. Place your hands and feet on the floor and push up. Make a big rainbow with your body. Press your hands and feet into the floor and lift your hips. Open your chest like a shining bridge. Slide your legs apart slowly. Stretch long like a brave explorer. Cross your legs and sit tall. Rest, breathe, and feel peaceful.
Great job, Super Kids! You did amazing today! If you had fun, subscribe to Super Kids Fit so you don't miss any fun routines. Bye-bye!